Yesterday's March nor'easter brought a lot of snow, but it was not officially considered a blizzard here in western Massachusetts. But 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Nick Bannon found out it was one for the record books.
An interesting statistic came out of our March nor'easter. Turns out it was the second highest snowfall ever recorded at Westover Air Reserve Base in Chicopee with 21.7 inches. The biggest storm ever recorded was back in 1949, 22 inches. So we missed that top spot by only a little bit. Now you may notice that the total for yesterday's storm bit higher than some of the surrounding amounts. That's because perhaps the way they measure the snow at Westover and a lot of official sites is different. They actually have a white board made of wood that they put out there. They call it a snowboard. It's away from trees and buildings, and they measure the snowfall accumulation on it. Every 6 hours, they wipe it clean, and then they wait another 6 hours and measure again. This helps prevent the compacting of the snow from changing the actual snowfall amounts. It's a more accurate representation of snowfall, but it ends up making the amounts a little bit higher in the type of snow and the drifting that we had yesterday. But it's one for the record books, the second biggest storm ever since they first started recording snowfall measurements back in 1945. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Nick Bannon.